guys, it's time. You've seen the viral stackable white cookware sets on the internet, and today it's time for me to unbox one and do a demo for you. I've had this in my shopping cart for months, and I finally decided to get one. What we have here is a 17-piece set of pots and pans. It's got the removable handle. Let's check it out. We've got it unboxed. Let's see the details. Here's the whole set. See it up close here. It's a ceramic non-stick set. They're great for all types of stovetops. They're good for induction. Whatever kind of stovetop you have will work for these pans. The space-saving element to these is such a game changer. They're really good for RVs. They're good for small apartments, or they're good for if you have way too much stuff in your kitchen cabinets like I do. Great for saving space. So here's what you get in the package. You get a 7-inch silicone lid. You get a 10-inch silicone lid. You get a 6.3 and a 7-inch sealing cover, 2 removable handles, 2 utensils. This part is silicone with a nice wood grain handle. You get 2 saucepans. One's a 6.3 inch and one is a 7-inch. You get 2 frying pans, an 8-inch and a 10-inch, and you get a big 10-inch saucepan. So here's how it works. This is the removable handle. It's got this little spring-loaded piece on it. This little grabber will hook onto any point of your pan. And look, now you have a saucepan. So you'll cook with it. If you need to finish something in the oven, you'll just put that right in the oven. You'll remove your handle, leave it in there to cook, and then you don't have to get the big bulky oven mitts when it's time to take it out. You'll just open the oven, grab on, and now you can remove your pan from the oven. You have 2 handles here, as you can see, so you can be cooking multiple things on the oven at a time. And generally, you will only need to be picking up 1, maybe 2 max at a time. So 2 handles should be just fine for this set. So again, it's a safe and healthy cookware set for your family. It's a non-stick ceramic coating. It's got this nice stainless bottom. Each of them have a little pouring lip here. Another feature I really love about this set is the handle will clip on, let's say, to this saucepan. We're cooking, we put it in the oven, we top off whatever the recipe calls for, we'll pull it out, use this dish to eat with. If there are leftovers, you don't have to transfer this to another container. You're just gonna put the sealing lid right on and it goes into the fridge. Brilliant. Because they're stackable, you can save up to 70% of your storage space, which makes them, again, great for a small space living, camping, RV life, wherever you are limited on space, these are great for you. Because of that non-stick coating, they're super easy to clean. They're dishwasher safe, so you can pop them right in the dishwasher, or you can give them a quick wipe and they're done. Remember, they're suitable for all cook types, including induction. I hope this overview helps make your decision. I am so excited I finally have my hands on one of these white stackable non-stick sets with these awesome removable handles. I can't wait to try it out. Happy cooking.